Peter gathers the believers. After the apostles returned to Jerusalem from Jesus' ascension that morning, Peter instructed John Mark to gather all the prominent disciples. By around 10:30, the 120 of Jesus' leading disciples living in Jerusalem had assembled to hear the account of their beloved Master's farewell message. Peter recounted the ascension in vivid detail, and the realization sank in that Jesus had now left the earth for good. James, the brother of Jesus, was also present at this meeting. Simon Peter took it upon himself to speak on behalf of his fellow apostles, painting a deeply moving picture of Jesus' final goodbye. It was a gathering unlike any that had ever taken place on this world. Afterward, Peter explained that they had decided to choose a successor for Judas Iscariot, and that they'd paused to give the apostles time to select between the two men nominated for the role, Matthias and Justus. The 11 apostles then went downstairs, where they agreed to let the lot decide which of these men would become an apostle to serve in Judas's place. The lot fell on Matthias, and he was designated as the new apostle. He was duly inducted into his office and later appointed as treasurer. However, Matthias would play only a minor role in the apostles' later activities. Peter then called the believers to stay together and turn to prayer, so they might be ready to receive the gift of the Spirit that Jesus had promised to send them.